Light on the power of nurses as we celebrate National Nurses Week early. It officially kicks off on Wednesday. There are more than 5 million nurses nationwide, hundreds right here in Connecticut, who are making invaluable contributions in healthcare and in our lives. Among them is Hartford Healthcare's Nicole Simpson with St. Vincent's Medical Center. Thank you for your time.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
We are so excited to have you. You know, I often say this, I say nurses are angels. You truly are
Thank you.
amazing. The work that you do, it is so valuable. Tell us what made you become a nurse and what your role is specifically at St. Vincent's.
So, growing up, I always knew I wanted to be a nurse. I loved listening to my mother's stories and my grandmother's stories, and their passion for nursing just stayed with me. And it makes it even more special that all three of us graduated from the same nursing program. And I've been a nurse for almost 32 years now, and the last 12 of them, I've had the privilege of serving as a nurse manager at St. Vincent's.
And what is a nurse manager? What does that mean?
So I myself manage a 40-bed telemetry unit. So I'm in charge of the nurses, the PCTs, we have a monitor room, and I also oversee our budget and all the staffing and challenges that go on day to day.
What are some of the real life daily challenges that you face as a nurse?
So, over the years, I've come to feel that one of the biggest challenges nurses face is navigating complex family dynamics while caring for very sick patients and trying to maintain and protect our own well being. Nursing asks a lot of us, and it calls on us to be skilled, compassionate, and present even in the hardest moments, which makes this profession so meaningful and why it deserves such respect.
Absolutely. And we understand that more nurses, they are, specializing, getting certified at different levels. How important is that in the nursing profession?
Certification is a very important part of any nurse's career. It represents growth, dedication, and an investment in knowledge and skill. Earning a certification shows a willingness to keep learning, keep growing, and holding ourselves to the highest standards of care. And it also speaks to a readiness for future opportunities, opening doors for leadership and a greater impact within the profession. I myself, when I was at the bedside, was certified in medical surgical nursing. And when I became a nurse leader, I received my certification in nurse executive.
Wow, very interesting. And quickly here as we wrap up, what is your advice to women and men who are looking to become a nurse?
So we definitely are seeing a lot more men in the profession, which has been great. My advice to anyone considering a career in nursing is to take the time to learn about the profession and understand what it truly requires. While I believe nursing is one of the greatest professions in the world, it demands hard work, commitment, and dedication. But at the same time, there's no greater reward than being able to help others during some of the most important and vulnerable moments of their lives.
Beautifully said. Thank you so much, Nicole, for joining us. And of course, thank you for the work that you do.